Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So Gorgius, formerly known as Hot Beauty Hair, sent me this wig. So even though they made the change to their name, they still got you with all the goodies in your box. You have a bag, you got the wig bag, and then you got a bag with an edge brush, an elastic band, and some bobby pins. And here is the star of the show. So this is a really pretty honey blonde 4x4 closure that has an elastic band in it, so you can wear it glueless. But in this video, y'all know I like to stick things to my head, so I will be using an adhesive in this video. So I washed it. I did not bleach the knots actually because I didn't have any bleach, but you'll be able to see at the end that you really don't have to. So I washed it because rule of thumb, always make sure that you wash your wigs before you decide to put them on your head. I feel like when you wash a wig, it gives it a little bit more texture. I don't know why, but I just feel like it's not as soft and silky and slick as it is coming out the box. And you can wash off any residues that are on there. So now I am plucking the closure. And honestly, I did not do a good job plucking this closure at all. I think I was in a rush, but it still looked good. The wig had minimal plucking anyway, so you could hypothetically go without plucking it, but I always like to doctor on my wigs and do what I need to do so they can look like what I want them to look like. So I'm using my Infinity Pro flat irons to get that real silky look. And now I'm clipping the ends off because y'all know me, I do not like the wigs on my ends to look scraggly. So it looks so much healthier now that I've done so. And my adhesive of choice today is the Ebin Lace Spray. It's in a red can, and I'm just using that as my adhesive. And I put foundation on it so it can look like scalp. And you can clearly tell that like it's not super duper, like it's not over plucked, but like I could have plucked a little bit more. So I use my wax stick and I put that on the closure so she can be flat. And like I have done it again, y'all. I don't know, like I've just had a streak of just like making wigs look so good, but that is what it looks like. It was a real simple install, and like I said, you have the option to wear the wig as a glueless wig if need be. So that is what it looks like, and I'm going to talk about it at the end. The wig looks like after I have installed, styled, and bust downified this wig. So at first, I'm not gonna lie, I was looking at the roots, so I was like, this is real tacky. Like, what am I gonna do with this? But after I put the hot comb on it and I laid it down, it's just looking like a regular, just a longer root. I mean, like, y'all know me, I always got a gripe with something. So if the root would have been like right here, I would have liked it even more than I already do, but still cute. The quality of the hair and the thickness of the wig and the non-sheddingness of the wig makes up for the longer root. Just so pretty. It is so gorgeous. The only thing I did was I plucked it and I cut the ends on it. Hot Beauty Hair has always had their wigs have always been thick, and they've always been really soft, and this is no different now that they've made the change. Definitely did not get any shedding with this wig at all. And you see me, I'm combing through it. There is absolutely nothing in my comb. I just got like one string that fell on the floor. One string of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. Also, don't forget to check out my Pretty Girl Diaries podcast. And with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.